Hello, my lovely ladies. Welcome to Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi's live. Today, I'll show you Kanchi Pattu sari collection, and I'll show you the first sari from today's collection. And these are all offer prices, weavers prices, and valid for 24 hours only. Wow, it's a gold and red combination. Many people are asking for this combination. Check this sari, it's a Kanchi Pattu. On body it has floral booties. Check the borders, it has cross lines. And that's the pallu. It has florals and cross lines. Contrast tissue blouse with border. I'll tell you the pricing details. It's 15,999 and item code is BV989. Next saree, it's a blue Kanchi Pattu. Today's collection is Kanchi Pattu. It's a different shade of blue, exactly purple, and on body all over leaf booties in zari. Lot of zari. Check the zari, check the quality of zari. And on borders, horses, florals in boxes. Both sides same width of borders, lower and upper. Check. See this beautiful pallu. It has leaves in cross checks. I'll check the blouse and show you. Oh, it's a self blouse with border. And ladies, please comment your favorite combination. Check the price here, 30,374 rupees. Item code is BV970. Priya Garu, hi. Please comment your favorite combination. Post your favorite combination and favorite collection too. Today's collection is Kanchi Pattu. Wow, it's a off-white with pink combination, and on body florals and diamonds in cross lines with zari. Most wanted combination, off-white with pink. It's a bridal saree. Check the borders, diamonds and alleys with florals in boxes. Yes, see the pallu. It's a kaddi pallu. We'll check the blouse now. Obviously, contrast blouse. Pricing details, 15,199 rupees. BR405 is the code. Yes, next I'll show you one decent combination. Stay tuned. Very comfortable, lightweight Kanchi Pattu saree. Stylish yet in budget. Check this sea green and beige combination saree. This saree is in budget. I'm giving you hint. On body floral booties in zari and self emboss. Check here. Brownish base and cross checks with floral zal. I'll show you the pallu now. See here, it's a floral brocade. Check this contrast blouse, copper zari as well as silver. Pricing details. Offer price is 7,119 rupees only, and item code is AX625. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. For any other queries, you can contact the same number. Check this beautiful color. It's a peach kanchi pattu. On body, small zari checks with peacocks. It has silver zari checks and booties in golden zari. Check this big border. It has cross lines with peacocks and florals. It has mustard edge. Check this brocade pallu. And greenish mustard. Check this beautiful contrast blouse. See the combination. I'll show you the pricing details. 22,499 rupees. BV963 is the code. Next I'll show you one dark combination. Not combination, all over single color. Check this. It has lot of zari. It's a dark maroon kanchi pattu sari. On body, small leaf booties with paisleys and diamonds. Here we have paisleys. Check the borders. It has cross lines and floral zal. That's the pallu. It's a brocade one. Yes, blouse is here. Check. Plain with border. It's 18,975 rupees. Item code is BV968. Dear ladies, our videos will be saved on Facebook, Instagram, ICTV and YouTube too. You can go there and check it out once again. See this combination? It's a mustard with pink kanchi pattu. On body it has florals in cross checks. On borders it has alleys, elephants and florals with peacocks. It has brocade pallu. And yes, this sari has got bright pink contrast blouse. ₹13,599. Offer price. Yes, item code is BV962. Yes, I'll tell you Andi, what's the zari? Check this, very decent color. It's a mint green, kanchi pattu, all over floral booties with rose gold and copper zari kind of zari. This zari is in between copper zari and rose gold. Check this. Yes, check here on borders also, same zari with florals and peacocks in lines. That's the pallu, it's a leaf brocade. Wow, it's a contrast blouse. See the combination. Pricing details. 8,319 rupees. BV985 is the code. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it. I'll be back in a while with different traditional combination sari. Please check.
Guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes, I'm back with traditional combination Kanchi Pattu sari. Check this. It's a green with magenta. On body leaf booties in curvy checks. When it comes to borders, floral zal and cross lines. Downside as well as top side, same style of borders. See this pallu? On magenta, it has florals and waves in cross lines with zari. It's a magenta contrast blouse. Pricing details. 8,799 rupees. BV 974 is the code. And these are all offer prices, weavers prices, valid for 24 hours only. Hurry up ladies, next I'm showing you beautiful combination. Isn't it beautiful? Check this light green with pink evergreen combination. On body, florals and leaves jar with silver zari. And check here, it has golden zari, peacocks and florals with diamonds. That's the pallu. It's a brocade one. It's a golden zari. This is the blouse. Check the blouse. Lot of zari on it. Pricing details. 17,249 rupees. Code is BV979. Yes. I'll show you the next sari. And this live is happening from Hyderabad Jubilee Hills store. Check this. Light peach with magenta Kanchi Pattu sari. On body, parrots. Here is the not parrot, I think it's a peacock. Check this. And it has polka dots in zari. It has golden zari. And check here, borders has floral zal. That's the pallu. On pallu, paisley booties. Very colorful contrast blouse. Check the blouse. I'll show you the pricing details. 16,500. BV961 is the code. Check this. White with red combination. Kanchi Pattu saree. On body it has florals and leaves jal. Check the borders. Wow, it's a big border. Check here. Lot of zari on it. It has floral jal and diamonds too. See this pallu? Drop booties in cross checks. Contrast blouse with big border. Offer price is 13,599. BV981 is the code. Next saree. Different, unique combination. It's a blue saree with brownish base combination Kanchi Pattu. On body florals in self-emboss. Check here, it has peacocks, floral zal with cross lines, and this is the copper zari. Check the zari. It's a copper zari. And on pallu, peacocks and florals in circles. Check this blouse, it's a contrast one. ₹8,096 is the offer price. Code is BT615. Today we have all budget ranges. Watch the live till the end and select your saree. Sea green saree, it's a Kanchi Pattu. On body floral booties in cross checks. See here, it has floral booties in lines on borders. Pallu is a leaf brocade. Contrast blouse. Pricing details. ₹8,272. BV972 is the code. It's a light green, a different shade of green with purple. Kanchi Pattu saree. On body it has self-embossed, and check here, it has floral zal with a combination of silver, gold and copper zari. Amazing contrast. See this brocade pallu. Check the blouse. ₹7,119. BV973 is the code. One pink saree coming on the way. See here. Kanchi Pattu saree. On body, floral booties in zari. And check here. It has silver zari as well as gold zari, and it has floral zal, dollars, stripes in lines. Pallu is a floral brocade. Self blouse. Pricing details. Offer price is $6,959 only. Item code is BV975. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. For any queries, You can contact the same number. We have video calling facility also. Check this. It's a royal blue with magenta combination kanchipattu. On body it has florals and leaves shawl with peacocks. And see the borders, zigzag lines with peacocks and florals. That's the brocade pallu. Wow, it's a contrast blouse. See the combination. Check the pricing details. 8,448 rupees only. This is the offer price and weaver's price. Check the code BV986. Again blue with a different combination, different shade of blue. Light blue with brown combination, beautiful combination. On body florals and paisleys in curvy shawl. Check the border, cross lines and floral shawl. Big border downside, comparatively small border top side. Check this pallu, it has floral booties and waves. Blouse, plain with border, contrast blouse. Pricing details. Offer price is 15,840. Code is BV988. And today's collection is Kanchipattu collection. Watch this live till the end and select your favorite saree. We have all the budget ranges. It's a different shade of green. On body floral booties in copper zari. Check the borders, zigzag lines and florals are. It has copper zari. Check here, it's a floral brocade pallu. And self blouse. Pricing details. 8,799 rupees. BO756 is the code. Next saree. It's a green with red combination kanchipattu. It's a green saree. On body diamonds and zari lines. It has big border, kaddi with florals and leaves shawl. That's the pallu. It's a diamond brocade. Blouse is a contrast one. Pricing details. 11,440 rupees offer price. BV983 is the code. Wow. It's a combination of silver and gold zari. It's a gold sari with red combination, kanchipattu. On body, all over floral booties with silver zari on body. Check the body and check here. On borders, it has golden zari cross lines with peacocks and florals too. That's the brocade pallu. See this blouse? Self blouse. Pricing details. 18,749 rupees. BV992 is the code. Next saree. It's a traditional combination. We have 3 colors. Dark magenta, with sea green combination. On body it has floral booties in saree. Check the borders. It has 2 colors, one is pink and sea green. It has zari lines and floral booties with floral zal. That's the pallu. It's a diamond brocade. And blouse is a contrast one. Pricing details. 23,999. BV966 is the code. Yes, ladies, now I will show you gold with red combination saree in detail. Check once. It has silver zari on body and golden zari on borders. Pallu too. Check the beautiful combination. It has very big border. Yes, I'm back with one more Kanchi Pattu saree. Check this sage green. On body florals and leaf jal. It's a different shade of green. And see here, it has cross lines with paisleys and florals on borders. That's the brocade pallu. Blouse is a contrast one, plain with border. Pricing details. 14,399 rupees. BU139 is the code. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please have a look on it.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes, now I am back with one mustard Kanchi Pattu saree. Check this. Mustard with blue combination. On body it has florals and leaf jal. Check the borders. It has cross lines and floral zal. That's the pallu. It's a floral brocade. And blouse is a contrast one. Pricing details. 9,240 rupees. BV971 is the code. Next. It's not a black. It's a bottle green, dark green kanchipattu sari. On body it has all over booties in zari. It's a silver zari. Check the borders. It has zigzag lines and paisleys. And that's the pallu. On pallu we have booties in lines. Self blouse with lot of zari. All over silver zari. Check the details. 9,279 rupees. Item code is BN856. And ladies, these are all weavers prices, offer prices, valid for 24 hours only. So hurry up. And do you want to know the sari price of mine? I'll show you. Are you waiting for my sari price? Yes, I'm showing you. 14,799 rupees. BV958 is the code. To order, please use this code. Next sari. Again traditional combination.
No, sorry.
It has dual shade. Greenish mustard with different shade. I mean to say it's a red, I think. It has dual shade on body with red combination. On body it has florals and leaves jal, and check here, floral zal and zigzag lines. That's the pallu. On pallu it has paisleys in curvy checks. Check this blouse, not a plain blouse, self embossed with border. $20,625 is the offer price. Item code is BV960. Check this. And Hema garu, we will add Bandhani Kanchi sarees, but not in this live. We will show you in next lives. Thanks for your comment. Check this. Bright saree. It's a Kanchi pattu. It's a peachish orange. On body, florals and leaves jal. Check the borders, cross lines and floral jal. Check here. It has beautiful pallu, floral jal and diamonds in cross lines. All over silver zari only. Check this zari. It's a silver zari. And see the combination. It's a self blouse. Pricing details. 21,450 rupees. BV977 is the code. Yes, Now I will show you one mustard with a red combination saree. Check in detail. See the pallu. Yes, that's the pallu. It's a kanchi pattu saree. On body, that's a kalaneta GL shade. See the borders. Yes. I'm back with one more copper zari saree. It's a copper zari. Wow. It looks royal. Dark green with black combination. On body it has floral booties in cross checks with zari. It's a copper zari. And check here. It has cross lines and floral zal on borders. That's the brocade pallu. Contrast blouse. It's a black. Offer price is 18,374 rupees. BR 398 is the code. Aha, super lightweight. Very lightweight. Very budget friendly. It's a kanchi pattu yellow saree. It looks decent and easy to carry. Check this saree. Don't miss this saree. It's in budget. On body, self-embossed leaf style. Check the borders, kaddi with floral booties. That's the brocade pallu. Beautiful pallu. This combination looks classy, and check the combination. Contrast blouse. Pricing details 7,832 rupees. BV 996 is the code. Next one. Peach with blue combination. It's a navy blue kanchi pattu saree. It's a peach saree but navy blue combination. On body leaf booties in zari. It's in golden zari. Check the borders, stripes in lines with floral zal. On pallu we have florals in cross checks. Florals in cross checks. I'll show you the blouse. That's the blouse, lot of zari, contrast. Pricing details 16,499 rupees. BV 980 is the code. Wow, super color, beautiful color. Check this. It's a light blue. It has silver zari all over, both body and borders. On body, it has peacock booties in zari. Beautiful peacocks. And check here, it has cross lines with peacocks and florals. On pallu, it has paisleys in zari checks. And beautiful contrast blouse. Check the combination, very stylish. BV 967 is the code. Offer price is 20,625 rupees. And one more green. It's a light green. Yes. Kanchipattu sari. On body it has leaf booties in sari. Check the borders, paisleys and florals. On pallu, paisley booties. It's a contrast blouse, but slight difference. Pricing details. 9,680 rupees. BV998 is the code. Next I'll show you beautiful combination, classy saree. Check this. This saree is for who doesn't like to wear zari sarees. You can prefer this. Check this. All over self florals on body, pink and say olive green. Yes. Check here. On borders, peacocks and florals all with skirt border. On pallu we have zigzag lines and contrast blouse. Very classy, decent. 7,920 rupees. BV993 is the code. Next one. It's a different combination. It's a yellow with lilac combination. Kanchipattu. On body, florals and leaves in zari with peacocks. It has golden zari. See this beautiful unique combination. On borders, cross lines with floral zal. That's the pallu. It's a brocade one. And this saree has, yes, it's a contrast blouse. Self embossed with border. Pricing details. 22,499 rupees. BQ789 is the code. And to place an order, please take a screenshot along with the item code and send it to 8900010002. And for any other queries, you can contact the same number. We have video calling facility also. Check this. It's a peach with wine combination, light and dark. Stylish color and traditional color combination. On body, floral booties in zari. It's a golden zari. And check here. It has small floral booties on borders. Both sides we have same kind of borders. That's the pallu. It's a brocade one. And wine color contrast blouse. Pricing details. 22,275 rupees. BV978 is the code. I'll show you one pastel color, Kanchipattu. Very stylish. Check this unique color. It's a greyish lavender. Check this. Greyish lavender Kanchipattu. On body it has floral booties. It has antique silver zari all over. Check here, triangles in lines. Both sides, down side as well as top side. That's the floral brocade pallu. And self blouse. I'll tell you the pricing details. Offer price is 15,999. BM 4480 is the code. Next one. Lightweight sea green saree, Kanchipattu it is. On body, self floral booties, not in zari. Check here, borders has zari, cross lines and polka dots. Check the pallu, it has polka dots and paisleys all in lines. It's a contrast blouse. Different blue shade. 8,008 rupees. BU 96 is the code. It's a stylish combination. Kanchipattu saree, peach and pink. On body silk paisleys with florals and leaves jal. Check here. Border has zari lines, both sides, downside as well as top side too. That's the leaf brocade pallu. Contrast blouse. Pricing details. 7,832 rupees. BV994 is the code. Wow, gold with sea green combination. It's a Kanchipattu. On body, florals and leaves. Check here, diamonds and leaf booties on borders. That's the pallu, it's a floral brocade. And check this beautiful blouse, tissue with border. Price is 13,599 rupees. This price is valid for 24 hours only. Hurry up, ladies. Item code is BV990. Pure traditional combination. Wow. It's a green and red Kanchipattu. All over floral booties. It has silver zari on body. Check the borders. It has both golden and silver zari. Check the borders. Diamonds with elephants, paisleys and leaf booties. That's the pallu, it's a brocade one. Check this blouse. See the combination. ₹14,960 offer price. BV984 is the code. Next saree. Pink with navy blue Kanchipattu saree. On body, self-embossed lines. Check the body. And see here, it has zari lines, silver zari lines. See this pallu, waves in zari. Contrast blouse. 7,832 832 rupees. BV995 is the code. Again green. We have many choices today in green. It's a green with magenta combination kanchipattu on body leaf booties in zari. Check here on borders. Kaddi with floral jal and peacocks in paisley booties. And check this pallu. Florals in curvy checks. Contrast blouse. And price is 6,160 rupees only. BV987 is the code. Next one. Check this. It's a pink kanchipattu saree. On body florals are in cross lines. Check the borders, cross lines with peacocks and florals. See this beautiful pallu, florals in cross checks. And it's a contrast blouse, self-embossed and zari border. 22,499 rupees. BV965 is the code. Suraksha ji, thanks for your compliment. And next saree. Again green with beautiful pink. On body paisleys and floral zal. Check the borders. Floral zal and zigzag lines. It has both gold as well as silver zari. It's a brocade pallu. And see the combination contrast blouse. ₹7,119. Code is AO602. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow our digital platforms? Please take a look at it.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.
Yes, I'm back with one more green saree. This is the last saree from today's live. Raksha Garu, you are asking for silver color, pure Kanchi saree. Please contact 8900010002. Check this. Light green with base Kanchi pattu. On body self florals and paisley zal. Check the borders. Diamonds and floral booties on borders. That's the pallu. On pallu, leaf booties in curvy checks. It's a different combination. Check the combination. Contrast blouse. 7,832 rupees. BV997 is the code. Yes. Now let's see the mannequins. First mannequin. Wow, it's a red sari. On body, florals and leaf booties. Check the borders. Cross lines with paisleys and floral zal. On pallu, it has paisleys in cross lines. It comes with self blouse. See the pricing details. 15,840 rupees. BV991 is the code. To order, please use that code. And we'll move on to the next mannequin. It's a stylish color, sea green, kanchi pattu. On body, florals and paisleys all. Check the borders. Cross lines and diamonds. On pallu, it has leaves in cross lines. And it has self blouse. Pricing details. 22,499 rupees. BV964 is the code. Next mannequin. It's a light color. It's a beige kanchi pattu. All over leaf booties in zari. On body, yes, check the borders. Cross lines with peacocks and florals. On pallu, we have floral booties. Blouse is a self blouse. Check the pricing details. 24,750 rupees. These are all weavers' prices. Item code is BV969. Next one. Wow, one more choice in green. Next mannequin. It's a dark green. We have many choices today in green color. Check this. On body it has silver zari. And we have leaves. Check the body, it has forest theme, I think. It has forest theme. And on borders, cross lines with elephants and horses. It has beautiful pallu, florals in cross checks, and self blouse. Pricing details. Offer price is 18,749. Item code is BV976. Yes, ladies, that's it for today. And in next live, we'll meet you with different beautiful collection. Take care. Bye-bye.
నమస్తే, నేను మీ సంగీత. నేను ఇక్కడ వరమహాలక్ష్మికి వచ్చాను. వచ్చి ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ అంతా చాలా బాగుంది, బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేశాను. మీరు కూడా ఈ కలెక్షన్స్ చూడాలంటే ప్లీజ్ లాగ్ ఆన్ టు Kanchi VML Silks in Facebook, Insta, and also on YouTube. And you can shop online freely, peacefully. And if you want to go in person, the shops are located in Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Andhra.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to stay updated. Click on the settings and go to manage follow settings. Standard for posts, option all for videos and live videos.